All right, let's get back to one of the big stories on this Tuesday. How sweet it isn't, apparently, though. Kraft Foods' $16.7 billion buyout bid for Cadbury has been rejected, and the courtship is about to get a bit tricky. Off to Sue Keenan we go with more on what happens next. A sweeter bid, a new round of suitors, or both. Where are we, Sue?
Well, analysts say, Carol, that both scenarios are likely, and the offer price indeed goes higher, they say, as high as $21 billion for Cadbury. That's the value some analysts assign to the UK-based chocolate company, which rejected Kraft's bid in a statement yesterday, saying the roughly $17 billion bid undervalues the company.
The fact that Cadbury do not want to be acquired does not necessarily mean that investors in Cadbury do not want Kraft to make a higher offer. So it may very well be that Kraft make an approach to shareholders, possibly at a higher price, in order to attain control that way.
And he doesn't believe Kraft has to bid that much more money. Kraft stock took its biggest tumble in more than half a year today, at one point down roughly $2 a share. Kraft CEO Irene Rosenfeld says it's not a matter of what we can afford, but what the asset is worth. She adds, we are the most logical buyer for Cadbury. Now, other suitors, according to analysts, include Hershey, the U.S. chocolate maker's stock up more than 12% year to date, and Nestle, the only other food company larger than Kraft, shares up roughly 5% year to date, and at least one analyst speculates yet another scenario. Nestle might team up with Hershey to block Kraft's efforts. Carol, Kraft has said it will indeed make another offer.
Sue, with financing obviously a key element of deals these days, I'm hearing that Kraft is in a pretty good position.
Apparently, according to two people familiar with knowledge of the matter, Citigroup and Deutsche Bank are in talks over arranging debt financing of about $8 billion in this deal. The amount of the debt, of course, would probably increase if Kraft raises the cash portion of the offer. Stay tuned.
We certainly will. All right, Sue, thanks for the latest on that one.